This is one of Broly's greatest transformations. The Great Ape Legendary Super Saiyan has come back. Only this time, it has returned to Dragon Ball Super. This is what the legendary Super Saiyan looks like as the legendary Oozaru. We have been through so many adventures. And Broly has now become one of the greatest achievements for history. Based on the Great Mega Theorem. I don't know how Broly managed to achieve the power of a legendary... I don't know how Broly got his tail back. It looks like that Broly got that from the angels. And it's amazing for Broly to actually manage to get his tail back. One of the best things I ever saw.
As a musician living with diabetes, figure six can be a real challenge. That's why I use the Freestyle Libre 2 system. With a painless 1-second scan, I know my glucose numbers without figure six. Now I'm managing my diabetes better, and I've lowered my A1C from 8.2 to 6.7.
Take the mystery out of managing your diabetes and lower your A1C. Now you know. Try it for free at freestylelibre.us.
They said over the radio that we're under attack. I figured they're gonna attack us in our country.
I thought we're part of the war. This is what we trained for. The stories of the men and women in the military who have sacrificed so much for us are fading from the headlines. But their sacrifice will last a
There we are.
If you look at me, I look fine. But I'm not. Invisible wounds are very serious.
Now is the time for healing and recovery. But many of these wounded service members can't do it alone. They need your help, and they need wounded warriors.
Here we are.
When someone approaches me as a day for service,
We have Broly's tail.
at Wounded Warrior Project, we provide free, life-changing programs and services that can change a person's life forever. Your gift is just $19 a month and make a lasting difference in the life of the warriors and their families.
Up to this point, I was really alone. But then the family I had missed from the army.
There we are. That is how you draw a great ape Broly.
Wounded Warrior Project has given me something that nobody else
It's beautiful, isn't it?
They've given my family their grandma back.
Call or go online with your gift of $19 a month, and we'll send you this Wounded
It's
Warrior Project
already completed now. That is how you draw Grade 8 Broly. One of the greatest achievements for Dragon Ball Super. Hopefully we'll get to see it in the series. Ultra Instinct, then Super Saiyan Blue evolved, and now the legendary Super Saiyan. It's amazing what Dragon Ball Super has done.